In this video, I'm going to explain system of inequalities. System of inequalities is very similar to a system of equations. A way to solve it is by graphing. So if you're given the graph, y is greater than or equal to 2x and y is less than 6. Their intersection is where the shaded regions cross or intersect. So if y is greater than or equal to 2x, that's going to be everything above the y equals 2x line. So I shaded everything above this line. And for y is less than 6, I would shade in everything below that line because, for example, if I was to plug in a 4 for y, that would be 4 is less than 6, which is true. So I shade in everything below. So this region here is where everything that's shaded crosses. So I would fill in that region, and that would be my answer, keeping the blue line as dashed since 6 is not less than 6. So this shaded region would be your solution for these two inequalities or this system of inequalities. For this system of equations, I have y is greater than or equal to negative 1/2 x plus 5. That means I'm going to shade above this line because if I was to put in a test point 0, 6, 6 is greater than or equal to 0 plus 5. So it would be everything above this line. For y is less than or equal to negative 1/2 minus 4, if I was to put in the test point 0, negative 6, negative 6 is less than or equal to 0 minus 4. And that is true. So I would shade in everything below this line. But you can see that the shaded regions never cross or never cross and never intersect. So this system of inequalities has no solution. A way that two parallel systems of inequalities would have a solution is if this was switched to, instead of greater than or equal to, it was a less than or equal to, then I would shade in not everything above, but everything below the line. And then my shaded regions that intersect would be from the red line down. And that would have been my solution if it was less than or equal to.